Alvin, Mark, back here at Katong Square. This time around, the owner of the Retro Factory commissioned me to sketch a scene of his shop with the crowd, so that was what I did. Once again, this is the second weekend of the month. It happens every month right here at Katong Square. I have with me Jiata and Beatrice. Jiata will now share with us what they do at the workroom.
So we offer a variety of classes. Mainly would be modern calligraphy and brush calligraphy, and as well as some of the stamp carving classes as well. We organize classes weekly, so it's like either in the morning or in the afternoon, and every Saturday there will be classes.
So if you're interested in learning stuff like that, I will leave the address down below where all the information is. Wow, Beatrice, can you tell me what this is? This is really strange looking but cool at the same time.
It's a clamp, this little kiap thing over here, and you have a little ring light, and you have this phone stand. So what we actually do is that we kiap it to the table, and then you can do your drawing or illustration over here, and the light and the phone stand like this. So you get the nice lighting and it's not wonky. So that's what this little contraption is for. So we do stamp carving videos. It's on our blog if you're interested. And it's so satisfying. Especially when you see this in like time-lapse. Normal speed can be too long sometimes. Yeah, so time-lapse.
One of Derek's birds, Rainbow, is stuck up there right now.
Not stuck up there, it flew away.
I flew away, so we're gonna try to get him back. Yeah. These are his brothers in the hood.
Bye!
Oh, look at you.
Sky the Husky.
Nice.
Husky and Malamute cross. How old is Sky? So he's still a pup? Hi, this is Gary from the Retro Factory, and welcome to Katong Square Lifestyle and Vintage Market. We run this once a month on the second weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What started out as a group of antique collectors, record lovers, vintage aficionados has now blossomed into a 35 to 40 booth market. So we're here to promote the cause of heritage and vintage in Singapore. And so this basically is what we call pierced artwork. It's Victorian, sterling silver. Even before 1900, 1899, Birmingham, makers Henry Matthews. On sterling silver pieces, you'll see the hallmarks. Let's turn it this way. HM stands for Henry Matthews. The anchor stands for Birmingham. Z is the year letter. Z stands for 1899. There are different Zs actually. This sort of Z with the small tail, that's 1899. You have another Z that's straight. You have another Z in a crest. So all the Zs are different. So you got to know your stuff to know what year it is. And the lion, the most important, the lion Pasan is the assay mark of the English assay office. That means it's certified 925 sterling silver. A lot of people ask me, what's 925? So out of 1,000 parts, 925 parts is solid silver. So the reason why they don't make 999.9 is because silver as an element by itself is too soft. If it's a solid silver piece, you can bend it. So that's why it's 925, with the other 75 parts being an alloy or base metal. But look at the artwork, beautiful. When you buy something like that, when you collect something like that, it can't have dents, it can't have breaks in the silver, and simply a lovely piece. Now, what is this used for? In the old days, people put candies, sweetmeats, or it's called a bonbon dish. Bonbon from the French Parisian word, you know, for sweets. So there you go. 3 lovely pieces here for sale today at the Retro Factory's Vintage Flea Market. We've got a Facebook site that we run. It's at the Retro Factory SG. Or if you just search Vintage Flea Market by the Retro Factory on Facebook, first hit on Google, that's the Facebook page.